I'm regurgitating the budget so that you don't have to. So there's lots of changes that are affecting small business owners. The first one is dividends in a limited company. Now they've gone up by 2%, but how does this actually impact you? First, it's going to mean that you're paying more tax on your dividends. Before, these were taxed at a lot lower. Now, this is not happening until next April. So if you want to pay yourself some dividends, make sure you hit it up before then. Now, the personal allowance is still frozen. So that's going to be frozen for a few more years. So basically, don't worry about that. If you're thinking about selling your business, this is now going to be taxed way more heavily from April next year. So if you're going to do it again, do it before. Because business asset disposal relief, or BADR, rate goes from 10% to 18% on qualifying gains. So if you plan to sell a company and your total income, including the gain, is under 500k, then you're going to face 18% capital gains tax on the qualifying gain. Here's some changes that affect trading businesses, so small companies. Business rates for the high street are changing, so that small premises from 2026 are being cut. So this means if you've got a shop, cafes, salons, restaurants, whatever it is, you're likely to see much lower and more stable business rates from April 2026 next year. Employers out there, wages from April the 1st go up to £12.71 per hour for anybody over the age of 21. 18 and 20, it's £10.85 per hour. And under 18 is £8 per hour. This includes apprenticeship minimum wage. But training for apprentices for small businesses is now free, and national insurance for under 25s is still 0%, which actually softens the cost. Now here's some changes that affect landlords. Rental income tax increases by 2%. This is happening from the 6th of April 2027. This means that rental profit of £20,000 per year would have previously been £4,000 tax to be paid, and now it's £4,400 tax to be paid. That's £400 more tax per year. The £1,000 property income allowance is going to stay the same. So very small casual landlords, if you're doing like a room to let or whatever, still get up to £1,000 rent tax free. From the 6th of April 2029, pension contributions via a salary sacrifice of above £2,000 per year will be subject to employer and employee national insurance. Now this won't affect most employers who put normal pensions through, so don't worry about that. For someone earning over 500k but then making a large pension contribution using their salary sacrifice, means they're sacrificing part of their salary, this is going to reduce the national insurance advantage above that £2,000 level. Have any of these changes impacted you and your business?